Big Cat Rescue started in 1992, and it's when our founder, Carol, she was looking for some help as far as maintaining our 67-acre property. And okay, and Carol was looking for maybe llamas or goats or something that would help her with the yard and with the property maintenance. But she saw a man at this animal auction bidding on bobcats, and she didn't understand why someone would want a bobcat because they don't make good pets and they don't have any usefulness as far as a farm animal or something like that. Well, she was horrified to learn that they were bidding on bobcats because they were taxidermists, so they intended to either use their pelts for fur coat or to stuff them as kind of trophies for whoever wanted them. And so Carol she did purchase the whole lot of bobcats, and this particular owner did go out of business. He was an elderly man, and he was seeking to retire anyway.